Video 319, Simpler Auto Tile Shader, Part 38. We're making an MMO in Scratch, or from Scratch, rather. Top-level lookup tables. We have the touching value converted to 4x4 graphic, and then all of the bit-packed values we created in the previous video. In shader number 7, we have added this section, shader 7 only lookup tables, and there's an injection site token for that lookup table we just created. In our preprocessor for ArtGirl, we have added that new lookup table. So in our lookup table of lookup tables, we have the lookup table. And in our lookup table of names we want to use for things, we have the name we're going to use on the GPU for that lookup table, same name as on the CPU. And then finally, the injection site token for this lookup table is this right here. So it's going to look for this, and when it finds it, it's going to inject the GLSL equivalent code in this point in the shader source code. The max index needs to be increased to 14 because now the arrays have 15 elements in them each. What we did previously, footnotes, and then what we did in this video. So the 4x4 graphics we created in the previous video are now loaded into an array and injected into shader number 7. If you want a longer description, you can go here. You are on the short playlist. You can get the source code here, email me here. You have been on video number 319. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.